Hi guys. Yeah, out of should be right now in here. So i-share ko lang dito na yeah. Oh my God. Mayroon pala dito siyang yalong ibon. Nakikita ko din mga ibon dito, may yellow din dito, may puti, meron din ditong pikoy. Bakit nilalagyan nyo ba? I mean, alright. Yeah, basta may napansin ko dito may yalong ibon, pero isa lang siya. Tingnan mo, natutuwa ako, may ibon dyan na yellow. Ay, yellow? Ibong tokmo. Yeah. Hola, you really makes me happy, you really touch me in here. This bird really, lower as I got discomfortable. Nagugulat ako where it touches me, where I could see really comfortable, like, like, yeah. Yeah. So yeah, and then wait lang kasi nag-chill in ako dito guys. Chill in ako dito, I don't think nothing out of much, just felt where myself, and yeah. So nandito ako sa Abuyog Liti sa Park Plaza kasi wala akong load. So hindi mo malalaman agad. Paano ba? Alright. So yeah. May yalong ibon din dito, sakit. I know you were right there. I mean, I hope it's happened for it's crazy. Oh wow. As how do I normally, yeah. 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 Meron ditong yalong ibon isa. So first time ko siyang nakita na may yalong ibon dito. Oh my God. Tapos meron din ditong ting ibon. Isa din yata yung nakita ko. Oh. So I don't, yeah. What you see is what you get. Whatever in your head, when that person, how do I, don't like it, should be assured, and as it, yeah. Ito yung Park Plaza, nandito ako ngayon. Alo, yun, nakita ko yung yellow ibon. Sana na-record siya. Oh, natingnan niyo, ang lapit. Like for real, I never seen this. Never. Really. Like, how coincidence today. So yeah, never. Like it really it touches me in here. I could see it. Like yeah. Yeah. It touches me, and ito pala yung Park Plaza kasi hindi mo agad makikita ngayon kay so shout out pala. Ano ba yan? Meron dyan akong kuan. Nag-aantay ako na yeah. Ay, bus. Antay ako ng bus. In fairness, madaming tukmo ngayon. Napapansin ko. I've never enters or seen this, you know. I think first time ko to na napansin tong you know, like yeah, tanggap matamsi kayo. Tanggap ka. So ito pala yung Park Plaza. So yeah, let me see you in here. Let me see you again. Yeah. And yeah. Yan lang siya guys. So yeah. Ito pala yung abuyog lab ko ini. Ito lang yung makita yun. So yan lang. Yeah. It's how do I? It's I'm like to yakin mag-check inak na din.